while eating. Ramen noodles are good. This, I spit it everywhere. That's just so disgusting. Okay, so the Bella Leonard says, what's your favorite place in the world? No, like you've been. Oh, you've been there. Oh yeah, I forgot. In mine, it's Atlanta or Panama City Beach. I don't know. Atlanta. Okay. Well, it is gonna be edited, but it's not gonna be like fully edited. So, player HDJD says, "Who's your favorite Fortnite character?" He doesn't play Fortnite that much. Well, he doesn't know about a lot of famous Fortnite players. But mine is Allie. Myth or Daquan. TSM Daquan. Daquan. And what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Same. Is Rocket Chaser still together?
No.
Let me. No. Explain it.
Okay, my voice. So, yeah, if y'all don't know what that is, which, yeah.
You don't know what it is.
It was like a band thing, but like we never did anything in it. It was me, Gavin, and Bailey.
She's in my first ever vlog, like at 20,000 views.
Yeah, he's like the only person that actually ever sang in it. And then I just sat there. Like, I would bring out this ugly little guitar, and I would never play it. I'd just sit there with it.
No. And Bailey, if you're watching this, which you better be, and need views, and likes, so like this video, and comment down below, please.
Yeah, roast us. Roast me. I know my hair's bad.
And Bailey, whenever I see you, can you please not bring that up in front of anyone? Because last time we did it at Sea Screamer, that was super embarrassing. Sorry. But it's really embarrassing whenever, like, when the people bring up something embarrassing that's like from my childhood. Well, I am still a child, but like from that time.
You made a vlog once and you were in your underwear.
How do you know?
Because I watched it and then you stood up to go and get something behind you. I think you were in the hallway. You didn't rewatch it.
Okay. What are your best friends for life? I don't know who asked that.
Who are my best friends for life?
Uh-huh.
My besties. And my bestos.
Name them. Go.
No.
Yeah.
That's a person. Okay. So, my grandma.
So mine is
My uncles.
my whole entire family. Mason, Bailey, Bella, no, he's CJ. A lot of people you don't know, but yeah.
If you know me, give this video a like.
And comment down below and check out his channel, but subscribe to mine first. And if you don't, then
We will track you down and kill you. Sorry. Will only slightly hurt you.
Yeah. We will tie you up and say, "Why don't you follow me?" Okay, bye. Oh wait. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe. Go check out his channel. He posts vlogs every single month. It seems like it.
I don't upload a lot, but I still upload.
But yeah, guys, like everything I said, subscribe, and yeah. Bye!
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my